Hi Shopify merchants, this is Basil here from Simple Bundles. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Judge Me reviews with Simple Bundles app. If you've used a bundling app with a reviews app on the App Store, you probably noticed by now that the reviews app always prioritizes the child items in the bundles when sending these review requests and skip the parent bundles. So this integration basically solves that. If you want to get it set up, first you want to jump into the Judge Me reviews and go into the settings page. Scroll down to the integrations section here, and then you want to click on View API Token. Under the View API Token modal, you'll notice the private API token here, so you want to copy that over to your clipboard, and then jump into Simple Bundles settings page. Once you're there, you want to scroll down to the integrations section and click on View Integrations. And from here, you want to click on View Details under the Judge Me Reviews integrations. So there we go. And basically add that into the API token and click on Connect Integration. Here I've already connected that, so you see a disconnect button. And yeah, I'm going to leave rest of the settings here just as default to make sure that I'm using the Judge Me settings, and then to send a unique email address when sending these review requests. So now I can go into my orders. I've set up a order here that's a customer placed. There's a single item here as well as a couple of bundles. You can see here, white groups. So there's 2 bundles here. And so basically to send a review request, I'm going to go ahead and fulfill this order first. I need to select all the items. Looks like they're all selected. I'm going to click on Fulfill Items here. And looks like the order's fulfilled. So now Simple Bundles is basically going to keep track of those bundles and send that to Judge Me to send those requests here. So if I go into my Judge Me review section and click on Review Requests, I can go ahead and click refresh the page here. Let's go back into the request. Yeah, looks like one just came in for today. You can see September 23rd under BK. There's 2 here actually. There's one for a typical fixed bundle and a 3-pack pomegranate. And that's the one that's going to be sent in about 2 weeks. So here I'm going to go ahead and manually trigger this one to send now. And let's go into the emails to see the review request come in. So here in my email, I can see the review request came in for my typical fixed bundle, and I can go ahead and review this directly on my storefront. And that's it. You're all set up with your Judge Me integration with Simple Bundles. If you have any questions, reach out to our support team and we'd be happy to help.